Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan once again got no relief on Monday after the Mumbai Sessions Court fixed his bail plea hearing for Wednesday afternoon. A Mumbai Special NDPS Court deferred the bail application hearing of Aryan Khan to October 13th after the NCB sought time to file its reply in the matter. This means that Aryan will be inside the jail for at least 2 more days before we know if he is coming home or not. According to reports, Shah Rukh Khan has been up and about the entire weekend to get his son bailed out, but he couldn't do much. Special NDPS Court Special Judge V.V. Patil has kept the bail pleas of other accused, Arbaz Merchant, Munmun Dhamecha, Nupur Satija and Mohak Jaiswal, also for hearing on Wednesday. Khan's lawyer Satish Manshinde said,
Wednesday at 11 o'clock. Okay. Thank you very much. बुधवार को 11 बजे सुनवाई होगी क्योंकि एनसीबी ने उन्होंने बताया, उनके वकीलों ने बताया कि उनको रिप्लाई फाइल करना है। बुधवार को हम सुनवाई करेंगे, ऐसे जज साहब ने डायरेक्शन दिया है।
At the hearing today, Khan's lawyer Amit Desai sought the bail plea to be heard on Tuesday, but the NCB Special Public Prosecutor A.M. Chimalkar asked for Thursday, after which the special court posted the matter for Wednesday. Accordingly, Khan and others will continue to spend the next 2 days at the Arthur Road Central Jail and the Baikola Women's Jail till they are enlarged on bail. All the 8 detained initially on October 2nd after the NCB raided the rave party aboard a luxury ship and arrested the following day have been in NCB's custody and then in judicial custody for the past 9 days. They were declined bail on last Friday on grounds of maintainability and shunted to the jails. After these arrests, the NCB has swooped in different parts of Mumbai and nabbed another dozen accused, taking the total to 20 so far. There have been reports of how Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan is feeling broken, helpless, as they are worried sick about their son. A couple of days ago, a video that claimed to be that of an inconsolable Gauri Khan from outside the court on Friday also went viral. Fans had been expecting Aryan to get a bail on Friday itself. However, he was denied bail, and while all eyes were on Monday, now with the hearing shifted to Wednesday, it remains to be seen what happens in this high-profile case next. Since this controversy has sparked, fans and fellow friends from the film industry have been backing SRK in this matter ever since the news has come out. The latest celebrity who has come forward to extend his support to SRK is Vishal Dadlani. Music composer Vishal Dadlani has come forward to extend his support to the superstar's family. The musician took to Twitter handle and wrote, SRK and his family are being used as a smoke screen, a soft target to distract from the 3,000 kg Talibani drug haul at the Adani port and to distract from the murder of farmers by the son of a BJP member. Not just Bollywood, but the NCB action in full media blitzkrieg has also sparked off a huge political slugfest with the Shiv Sena Nationalist Congress Party, Congress, calling the raids a politically motivated hoax beside demanding an independent inquiry against the central agency and its officials. However, the NCB has hit back, claiming no wrongdoings or irregularities and asserting that all due rules and procedures were followed in the raids and subsequent actions. INS report.